Yo, it's Donald B. Guys, how are you guys doing? It has been a while, and I truly do apologize. I've been slammed in my business, and just things are going crazy for me, and I'm very excited. But I'm here about TikTok. As you all know, I have my channel, J&D the Knuckleheads, and we grew over 90,000 followers in less than 90 days. We have like over 178,000 followers now. I want you guys to experience the same experience that I experienced. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to provide you guys something nice and beautiful at the end of this video. So I want you to stay and continue watching how I'm going to show you how to edit the video. I know a lot of people are trying to create their own sounds, or how do you cut sounds out and add things and all kinds of stuff. But this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually edit a video. So that way you can actually cut a sound from one sound and add it to another sound, or however you want to do it. But that's what's been working for me on one of my videos like this.
What's up, Bree?
But anyways, I want to do something similar like this, where the sun cuts off and adds to another sound. I want to be able to do that for you and show you how to do, because I know a lot of people don't know how to create their own sounds and add it to the TikTok. So again, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave the question in the comments down below. If there's something else that you want to learn how to do, please definitely put that down at the bottom. I'll definitely create another video for you to show you how to get that done. But anyways, let's get into this video. I know a car just drove by, so let me say that over again. Let's get into this video so I can show you how to get that done and make sure we can get you rolling. All right, y'all. All right, so here we go. We want to record a video. And we want to record part of a video to be able to attach it to another video, just to create something like this.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
As you can see, I have the Lion King sound, and then I'm going to add the ice sound next to it. So just like that, I have two different sounds on this one video. And you're questioning, how do I do that? Because as you can see down the bottom right-hand corner, if I click on it, you can see that I have sounds, and other people are doing sounds or probably doing duets with it. Ooh, someone did a new one. I didn't see that. But anyways, let's go down here and show you how this is done. So first, let's just find a random video. All right, so let's use this example. Let's say we wanted to add two different sounds. Let's say we want to do this. I'm going to do this for real, because the fact that I want to use this sound, I'm going to go ahead with one. So we're going to use that sound, okay? What I do is I have a screen recorder on my phone, which all phones should have it. I'm pretty sure Apple has it. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy. I know mine has it. I have a Galaxy 20. So you should have that option to be able to screen record. So what I'm doing here is I have the sound up ready to go. And all I'm going to do is have it up, make sure the volume is all the way up so it records nice and loud. And now I'm going to record the sound. I'm going to record like half of this sound, because I only need a portion of it. So here we go. All right, so now I got my sound that I want. I recorded that. I can back out of it. Did the same thing with another sound, which I already have it in my editing video. Now, I don't know what editing software that you have, but I have a software on mine that's called Kinemaster. And the way this works is I'll come in here, and actually I have some stuff already recorded. So if I want to create a whole thing new, I'll just hit this plus button over here and it'll give me options. But I already have something saved. It doesn't need to be fancy or anything when it comes to creating a sound. I'm just going to pick a video that I've already created, come in here, and actually, no, this is another video I did. Come in here. I think this is it. All right. So I come in here. This is my editing software that I use. Like I said, it's called Kinemaster. Okay, so we're going to come in here. I'm going to select the video that I want. Now, I've been recording this entire conversation, so I need to do a little fix here. So come out of that. Come out of that. All right, so where's the sound that I need? I need this part of the sound. So I'm going to cut. Give me a second, because like I said, I was recording this entire time and totally forgot to turn off. All right, so let's start here. So I can cut out this beginning part, because I know I don't need this. So forgive me on that. I didn't mean to do that to you guys. but I stopped at a certain point, so that's good. All right, so if I stop there, that's where I stopped. I'm gonna go and cut all this off to the right. All right, so what I have here is like this. I'm only gonna record half the sound because that's all I need, so here we go.
Put in on the camera, put your mask on.
So let's fix this again. So I'm going to cut half of this off so I can just go right into it. Listen again. So now let's go to the beginning of the sound. Where did it start? Pretty much right here. Let's cut that off. All right, so now I have the sound that I want. So all I'm going to do here now is go ahead and upload it. This is what I do all the time on my phone. My phone sure has a lot of space that needs to go ahead and put back into my phone. But anyways, all right, so that's how you do that. Now you need to go back to your TikTok. So here's TikTok. Now let's back out of here. No, you want to start a sound. So hit the plus sign down the bottom. You want to go ahead and upload your sound, which was this one. It's like 16 seconds. Sweet. Here we go. We're going to add it. We'll go hit next. So you're just trying to make sure the sound is actually good, which it is. So at the very top of the right-hand corner, hit next. It's processing. All right. So you're only doing this for the sound. Don't worry about the video. You're wondering, like, what is he doing? Hold on. I'm getting there. So what you're going to do now is you see where it says, who can watch this video? You want to click on where it says everyone. Click that. Then you want to drop it down to private. Boom, y'all, private. This is going to all of my private videos, which is amazing. I was so excited when I found this. But anyways, you hit private, and then you go ahead and post it. This is not going to post in your regular feed. So you post it. Boom. Then boom, you're done. Now you just wait for it to upload. Private video uploaded. Sweet. Now, you see on the top of the top. All right, so down at the bottom where you see the heart and the lock. I don't know what those lines are, but just a bunch of lines. Right underneath my link. So right there you see a lock. Click the lock. And boom, these are all your private videos. See how these private videos really doesn't make any sense? Because these are all sounds that I'm using. So click on the one you just uploaded. Now what we're going to do here is, you know when you hit that little record down at the bottom right-hand corner? So let's go in here. I'm pausing it. So you go in there, down the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see your actual logo. Now from time to time, what will happen here is, when you post a private video, you're going to see a little recorded, a button with like an orange dot. That means the sound really hasn't been uploaded yet, or TikTok haven't allowed it to go through as of yet. What I tend to do is I usually back all the way out of my phone, out of TikTok, and then I go back in. And then usually it'll be there. Right now it looks like it's ready to go. But let me hit the button first, hit it. Boom, no video under this sound yet. So you know what that means? I can go ahead and I can actually use the sound and start recording. Isn't that cool? So that's basically all you do. That's how you do it. You can upload, record it, whatever how you want to do that. But basically, I just showed you how to create your own sound. And look at me looking at myself. Oh, I'm so pretty. Anyways, but if you guys have any other questions, concerns, please let me know. And I'm glad I was able to help you guys create another video. All right, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed that. I hope that you learned something from it. I hope it helps you in the near future. Now, for that thing that I promised you, a nice little sweet little nugget that I'm going to give you all, I'm going to add my template. It's an actual template that I follow. It's something I put together for everyone so that you guys can follow as well. You need to follow to the T to see any kind of progress. Now, it worked for me. I can't promise you it's going to work for you. That's why I said it's free. I'm going to give it to you. Take advantage of it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. But I promise you, If you take full advantage of it, it will definitely do something for your videos if you're struggling. Okay, so like I said, please, please, please click on the link below. The link will have the actual template of what you need to follow and how to do it and how to get it done to help you grow your channel quickly. Like I said, for me, my videos grew. I grew up to 90,000 followers in less than 90 days. Like I said, if you follow it, you do well. I already have a couple other people who actually done it and actually done well for themselves. So go ahead, test it out, try it, and see what happens. And I promise you won't regret it. All right, y'all. Donald B, make sure you guys subscribe. Please follow my Instagram channel as well, so that way we can get you all on there as well, please. All right, y'all. Deuces.